Okay, hello everyone, welcome back to the new week. So in this week, we'll move a new section on data mining for you. And this is also the last section we have for this course in this semester. In this section, we plan to provide you with a brief introduction about data mining database systems for you. And if you want to know more information about data mining, you can also take the data mining course instead. What we cover here will be a very brief introduction about how to use data we have in database systems for mining some knowledge. Alright, so this is a new section. And before we start the lectures, I have a reminder. According to the schedule, in this week we have 2 data lines. We only have 2 weeks left for this course in this semester for the lecturing. And we plan to finish the data mining section probably in this week with 2 classes. If we cannot finish it in this week, then we can have some courses, some lectures for the data mining section in the next week on the Monday as well. According to the schedule, we have 2 data lines in this week. The first one is a paper 6 review report, and the second one is homework 2. Both of them will be due by this Friday. And also a reminder for the project, the final report will be due by next Friday. This will be the final paper for your project, and you should cover all the information about the project in a paper format. And we will also have 1 final exam, and we plan to have a final review for you in the next week on the Wednesday class. We can discuss about how the formats of the final exam for you and how to do the exam in this semester. Okay, so this is scheduled for this week as well as the coming weeks. So please work on according to the schedules, and the deadline we show here, they are all fixed and firm. No extension will be granted for any reasons you may provide. So please do these works as early as possible, so you can make sure you can finish all of them before the deadlines. Alright, so let's come back to the slides. So we can see, this week we plan to talk about data mining. What is data mining? I'm not sure if this is a new term for you or not. Probably some one of you have taken the data mining course already. We know we have lots of data in database systems. However, we have so much data in the real world, but we don't have enough knowledge actually. So the size of data we have in the real world grows a lot in recent years, from terabytes to petabytes. And we have different tools as well as technologies to connect data we have, which can be very automatic. And we have automatic data connection tools, and we also have the database systems, we have the web, and we also have a society based on computer science, right? And we can connect lots of data from the real world. And the data we connect can be from different sources. For example, we can connect data from business, based on the web, based on e-commerce, based on transactions, stock markets, etc. We can also connect data from the science, via some scientific discoveries. We can connect the data from via the remote sensing, as well as bioinformatics, scientific simulations, for example. Of course, we can also get data from the society as well as everyone, right? We can get data from news, from digital cameras, and from YouTube, as well as Facebook, right? So the data we have can be abundant. However, we don't have enough knowledge we can extract from the data, which will be the main focus of data mining actually. And so the target for data mining is to discover or extract some knowledge from the data. What is knowledge? So formally, according to this page, data mining can be formally defined as extraction of interesting. This interesting covers several perspectives. It should be non-trivial, implicit, as well as previous unknowing and potentially useful patterns or knowledge for the huge amount of data we can have in database systems. And we also have different names when we are referring to data mining actually in the real world as well as in research. We can also call it as knowledge discovery in database systems. And it is also called KDD, right? Knowledge discovery from database. The first charts we compose the KDD is word, right? I'm not sure if you know the conference for the SIG KDD, right? Which is also the top tier conference in data mining in this area. Besides KDD, we can also name data mining as knowledge extraction, data pattern analysis, as well as many other names you can see from this page. So they are all referred to data mining actually. Then you need to be very careful, is everything related to data will be data mining or not? We have some exceptions, right? Like some simple search and query processings, we cannot see them as data mining actually. As well for some expert systems based on deductive rules, we cannot see they as data mining either, right? So we have some exception in this page.